Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 3. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. To simplify the expression 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 3, we first need to calculate each part separately. We start with the first term, 2 raised to the power of 4. This means we multiply 2 by itself 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. Next, we calculate the second term, 2 raised to the power of 3. This means we multiply 2 by itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So the expression 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 is now transformed into 16 minus 8. Step 2. Now that we have calculated the individual exponents, we need to proceed with the subtraction. We have simplified the expression to 16 minus 8. Here, 16 is the result of 2 raised to the power of 4, and 8 is the result of 2 raised to the power of 3. When we subtract 8 from 16, we get a simplified answer. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Therefore, the final simplified expression of 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. This is the final step and the simplest form of the expression. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.